If you're here to learn how to make 10 chicken nuggets for dinner tonight, this is probably not the video for you. McDonald's doesn't make chicken nuggets to order, and neither do I. They manufacture them ahead of time, and that's exactly what I'm going to teach you how to do today. You can just cook them right from the freezer in your air fryer, or even in the oven. And the best part, we're going to split this process over 3 days with about 30 minutes a day. That includes setup, cleanup, and getting your kitchen back to normal. Day 1 is prep day. We're going to measure our seasoning, cut up our chicken, and then mix the seasonings into the chicken, wrap the seasoned chicken, and refrigerate overnight. We're going to measure out the dry ingredients for our batter, measure our egg yolks, and refrigerate them. Then we're going to measure and crush our ice, and that's going to go into the freezer along with our grinder attachments for tomorrow. Then we clean up, and day 1 is complete. Day 2, we're going to make the nugget filling, portion and shape them, and finally get them ready to batter. We're going to start by grinding our chicken. Then we're going to emulsify our chicken with our eggs and our ice in a mixer using a paddle. Once our filling is mixed, we can then portion scoop it and press it into nugget patties. Those are going to get placed in the freezer until frozen, and then bagged, and then tossed lightly with potato starch. Then day 2 is complete. At this point, your nuggets are ready to batter. This can be done anytime within the next month, giving some flexibility to the process. Day 3 is setting the final breading. We're going to need to finish making our wet batter by adding water to our dry batter that we previously mixed together. And then we're going to need a fryer at 325 degrees. And we're going to dip the nuggets in our batter, removing any excess, and then fry them for 10 to 20 seconds in small batches just until the batter sets. Continue frying all the nuggets until every one of them is battered once. Then repeat the process, re-dipping the nuggets in the batter and refrying a second time. Once they're double fried, you can then lay them out to cool and then freeze them. Once frozen, you can bag them up and you just manufactured your own home manufactured chicken nuggets that are ready to cook right out of the freezer in your air fryer, or even an oven. I'm going to leave a link to my free nugget calculator in the description below that you can use to calculate your own recipe and follow me to cook smarter. Thank you so much. Cook with love.